Are you suffering from digestive issues and you want to know how you can help restore your gut and relieve these symptoms? Hi, I'm Brianne Gibson, holistic nutritionist, resilient lifestyle mentor, and permaculture practitioner, and today I want to share with you 4 foods that you can remove to start restoring your gut and feeling better. So, we are made up of over 100 trillion microbes that call our body home. We have 10 times the amount of bacteria cells than human cells in our body. And most of these microbes reside in our gut. Why? Because our digestive system is our main interface with our outside world, and it is where these bacteria receive their fuel from the food we eat. And these microbes love to eat just like we do. So some food fuels bad bacteria and some food fuels good bacteria. So the food that you choose to eat and choose to bring into your body has a huge impact on the state of your gut microbiome. Not only that, but certain foods also impact the gut lining. And when the gut lining is damaged, this can lead to unwanted substances entering into the bloodstream and provoking inflammation throughout the body. This can be experienced as a number of different digestive issues, immune weakness like allergies and asthma, sleep problems, skin issues, muscle and joint pain, or mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. So today, I want to share with you 4 foods that you can remove from your diet to start restoring your microbiome and enhancing your performance. And the 4 foods are the top 4 genetically modified foods: corn, soy, canola, and sugar beet. So genetically modified foods are foods that have had their DNA manipulated, whether that's from adding, altering, turning off, or removing part of the DNA sequencing. And in doing so, this makes that food pesticide resistant or herbicide resistant, which means that the food won't die when it is sprayed with pesticide, or the food has been manipulated to be pesticide producing, which means the plant, every cell in that plant produces pesticide. So the reason why you want to remove genetically modified foods out from your diet is genetically modified foods not only impact the state of our environment, but they largely impact the state of our gut microbiome and human health. More and more scientific research continues to come out demonstrating the impact that genetically modified foods have on human health as well as the gut. And individuals that have started removing genetically modified foods out of their diet are experiencing massive shifts in their health. So one of the main reasons why you want to remove genetically modified foods out of your diet is the level of pesticides that are used on genetically modified crops. Pesticides, and the main pesticide used is Roundup, contains glyphosate, and glyphosate is carcinogenic and also inflammatory provoking pesticide. So this leads to a number of different, can lead to a number of different digestive issues like gas, bloating, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut. Not only that, but Roundup really damages the good bacteria in our gut. And our good bacteria produce tryptophan or L-tryptophan. And tryptophan is an essential amino acid, means our body cannot produce this amino acid. And it is a natural mood regulator and really helps to balance certain hormones. It also produces 5-HTP or 5-hydroxytryptophan, which is really helpful for our brain and our central nervous system and helps us feel good. And it does this because 5-HTP produces serotonin, and serotonin is our feel-good hormone. So when we consume genetically modified foods that have been sprayed with Roundup, this damages our good gut bacteria, which then are not able to produce tryptophan and the metabolic pathways of tryptophan, which includes producing serotonin. And when serotonin is decreased, this can affect our mood, and it can cause mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Not only that, but tryptophan is also a precursor to melatonin, and melatonin is our sleep hormone. So when Roundup damages our gut bacteria, which produce tryptophan, it can also affect melatonin, which leads to us having poor sleep quality. So what you can do is start removing these genetically modified foods, corn, soy, canola, and sugar beet, to start restoring your gut microbiome. And you can do this by removing largely the processed foods out of your diet, because these 4 foods are found primarily in processed foods. And also looking for organic and non-GMO'd products. And why I say organic and non-GMO'd verified is because organic, yes, that certification does not allow genetically modified foods. However, it does not mean that that organic food or product has not been contaminated by a genetically modified food or product. So when you see the verified or the logo non-GMO verified, it means that that organic product has been tested to prove that it has not been contaminated. So you want to look for both. So essentially, organic, non-GMO'd, whole foods are really going to help assist you in working to restore your gut microbiome and be removing genetically modified foods out from your diet. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want, you can also download my 4 fresh and functional food swap guide. And in this guide, I lay out 4 food groups that you can start removing to restore your gut, rid brain fog, and revamp your energy. And I will speak to you soon.